This is Brian Kuzma with Commercial Rare Coins and Precious Metals in beautiful Lauderdale by the Sea. Sorry for showing you this static picture right now, but my computer is having some minor problems and I'm not able to pull up the video I normally am. Hope to have it fixed by tomorrow. If not, we'll see what happens. Anyway, long day here. I'm really tired right now. Sorry about getting this report out late. Just been super busy, and I'm working on a big project right now that has to do with my business and making these shows better and making product cheaper for you. Anyways, let's move along to what's going on out there. Metals prices are down a little bit, but again, relax, keep calm and relax. Don't worry about it. It just has to do with dollar strength. It has to do with the stock market coming down. It has to do with economic policies, viruses. But overall, those things are kind of a temporary. They'll kind of come in and phase out. They'll have an effect on us, but nothing major. Overall, we are in a bull market. So unless you have to sell, don't panic about when you see these drops like that. In fact, as we've been talking about, it's a great time to buy the friggin' dip. Am I correct? The BTFD, let's call it for now on. BTFD. When you see these dips, BTFD. Anyway, let's move along to the little zero hedge article here. Stocks and dollar and Bitcoin jump, bonds and black gold dump after a record GDP. So again, what us precious metals folks have to focus on here is dollar strength. So when you see dollar strength, you're going to see some gold and silver and platinum weakness. I basically have found the direct tie to, or it seems to be almost a direct tie, inverse relationship with the dollar that we're having for the last several months, and actually for the last couple years, if I really think about it. So a little bit of dollar strength is what caused our bullion weakness. Nothing to fear, though. And let's take a look here. Stocks struggle to stabilize after worst rout since June. So what this tells me, if we see some continuing stock weakness, you're going to see some dollar strength. And when you're going to see some dollar strength, you're also going to see weakness in gold, silver, and platinum. But, you know, not a lot of weakness. And again, as I said, it's a good opportunity to BTFD, buy the friggin' dips. Let's move along here, and then I'm going to make this report real quick tonight and take a look at the Wall Street Journal, what's going on out there. Amazon and Google post strong results. Economy surges but hasn't recoupled all pandemic losses. Well, I don't think that we really have considered what the pandemic losses really are. And again, we had a pretty strong stock market loss. 900 points, up 139 today. Maybe this is just a pause. Let's see what happens tomorrow with tomorrow's markets. I suspect that we're not going to see any strength in precious metals tomorrow. May even see a little bit of weakness. And again, as I said, it is a good opportunity to buy these dips. Take a look at a couple other things here. Dearth of credit market starts, Detroit housing market. Overall, the headlines are pretty grim. We've got election going on right now, a lot of uncertainty. So like I said, this is good opportunity for those of you that have wanted to add to your stacks, that wanted to add to your gold and silver holdings. Great opportunity to buy more at a lower price, because we are certainly not done with this bull market by any sense of the word done or over. In fact, we are at the beginning stages of a bull market, even though we have surpassed that 2000 high, that 1900 high. This is just the beginning, folks. So again, relax, buy these dips. Let's take a look at what markets are closed at in New York and what they are now, and I'll talk about what I think they might be tomorrow. 1865, kind of a range of 1860. We didn't hit that 1850 level. Could we hit it tomorrow? Sure, I think we could. And but again, depends on dollar strength. Silver kind of acting wild and crazy. Look at that, 2267. I did try to buy some silver today at 2267. I was unsuccessful. By the time I made the phone call, it had popped back up into the $23 range. And I did fill the order in the low, mid $23 range, just to give you the heads up. So I got a lot of silver coming in, and I still have a lot of silver already. I've just been replacing what I've sold. Platinum, kind of the same thing. Remember, everything follows gold. No matter what, gold is the leader of this market. Let's take a look at world spot prices. Gold 1868, 2328, and 18. Boy, not too far off from the New York closing. Uncertainty that it kind of nobody knows what to do. It's not going down too much. It's not going up at this point too much. It's kind of staying there. That kind of just tells me there's a lot of uncertainty going on. What is uncertainty good for? It's good because you can BTFD, buy the friggin' dips. Again, that's if you haven't bought or you still have money to add to your stack. If you don't and you're sitting with precious metals, well, please do not panic. Keep calm and relax. Again, if you don't have to sell, this is meaningless. This lower price is meaningless. You're in a bull market, and I think this bull market hasn't even started up yet. I don't think it's even begin to heat up. It's just kind of in a tepid stage. So keep calm and relax. And if you can add more to your stack, do it. Let's take a look at Wall Street Journal again. I think not much going on out there. Dow Jones down up 139 points. Biden maintains the lead in Pennsylvania. Political stuff, again, not much to see here. You know, nothing to talk about dollar weakness, dollar strength. I happen to feel that tomorrow, unless you see dollar strength or unless you see a collapse in the stock market again tomorrow, I think prices will be about the same. If the stock market collapses and you have some major dollar strength, either one of those things, you could see markets in gold, silver, platinum drop. But again, don't panic. Buy more and just wait it through. It's temporary. Best deals out there right now for precious metals are Krugerrands by far. Across the country, 1 ounce Krugerrands are the cheapest deal. I know that's a 1/10 ounce up on the screen, but it was such a pretty picture of the obverse and the reverse. I wanted to use it. Don't try to buy tenths. They're obscenely expensive in all the products. Stick with your 1 ounce products. What is really cheap in silver? Well, it is still 90% U.S. silver coin. Cheapest price you can, or cheapest premium out of all the products. And again, if you're adding to your stack, this is the way to go. Add more silver to your stack, not more premium. That's my motto. And that's our motto at Commercial Rare Coins. By the way, speaking of Commercial Rare Coins, I don't pump my Facebook page much here, and I haven't done it in a long time, but we do have a Facebook page, Commercial Rare Coins and Precious Metals. I'd appreciate it if you go to this page and like it as well if you're a Facebook person, and I am. And really, I think that's about it. As I said, I wanted to keep this report short because I've got some minor computer issues here, and as you notice, I've had some audio issues over the last week, and now I'm having video issues. That's why I got this report done a little bit late, besides the fact that I've been busy. So thanks for watching. This is Brian Kuzma with Commercial Rare Coins and Precious Metals in Lauderdale by the Sea. Call us anytime at 954-493-8811 for live quotes or what the best deal of the day is. Really appreciate you watching, and I'll check in with you tomorrow, Friday, for the wrap-up report for the weekend. Thanks for watching. Have a good evening.